In this video we learn AutoCAD commands and setting. 1. J. Join command for joining two lines. 2. BR. Break command for break in lines. 3. SPL. Spline command for curves line. 4. A. Arc command for make arc. Join similar objects to form a single, unbroken object. Objects to be joined must be located in the same plane. Each type of object has additional restrictions, listed in the help system. Depending on the source object selected. Line. The line objects must be collinear, lying on the same infinite line, but can have gaps between them. Break. Breaks the selected object between 2 points. You can create a gap between two specified points on an object, breaking it into two objects. If the points are off of an object, they are automatically projected onto the object. Break is often used to create space for a block or text. The prompts that are displayed next depend on how you select the object. If you select the object by using your pointing device, the program both selects the object and treats the selection point as the first break point. At the next prompt you can continue by specifying the second point or overriding the first point. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Creates a smooth curve that passes through or near selected points. You can control the maximum distance between the B-spline curve and the fit points, shown in the illustration, by changing the value for the fit tolerance with SPLINEDIT. You can also display the control frames for B-splines with SPLFRAME. Creates a spline using points you specify, using NURBS, non-uniform rational B-splines, mathematics. Specify next point, specify a point. Enter points until you have defined the spline curve. After you enter 2 points, the following prompt is displayed. Specify next point or close/fit tolerance, specify a point, enter an option, or press enter. Next point. Continuing to enter points adds additional spline curve segments until you press enter. Enter undo to remove the last point specified. Once you press enter, you are prompted to specify the start tangent for the spline curve. Close. Closes the spline curve by defining the last point as coincident with the first and making it tangent to the joint. Specify start point of arc or center, specify a point, enter C, or press enter to start tangent to last line, arc, or polyline. To create an arc, you can also specify combinations of center, end point, start point, radius, angle, chord length, and direction values. Start point specifies the starting point of the arc. Note if you press enter without specifying a point, the end point of the last drawn line or arc is used and you are immediately prompted to specify the endpoint of the new arc. This creates an arc tangent to the last drawn line, arc, or polyline. Specify second point of arc or center/end. Second point draws an arc using 3 specified points on the arc's circumference. The first point is the start point, 1. The third point is the end point, 3. The second point, 2, is a point on the circumference of the arc. Specify end point of arc, specify a point, 3. You can specify a 3-point arc either clockwise or counterclockwise. Center specifies the center of the circle of which the arc is a part. Specify center point of arc. Specify end point of arc or angle/chord length. End point. Using the center point, 2, draws an arc counterclockwise from the start point, 1, to an endpoint that falls on an imaginary ray drawn from the center point through the third point, 3. Thanks for watching.